Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Or welcome back to another video about NFT education where we learn more about NFTs and we kind of go over them and see if it's something we want to invest in. All right, now I covered a project called Baller Bears NFT. This project right here, I covered it a little bit last week, and I just wanted to kind of cover it again and sort of do a recap. We're not going to go over the roadmap and all that. I'll link you the first video. I'm just strictly gonna tell you what I think about it, hit some of the main points, and then kind of help you guys out. All right, so Baller Bears, right? Basically, Baller Bears is a collection of 4,444 NFTs hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. The Baller Bears communities is built off of a backbone of power and freedom. Using our stunning wits, we have found a way to yield precious honey token through staking your NFT. These honey tokens can be swapped for Ethereum and act as our digital currency, which is fueled by our secondary market royalties. Together, we are the Bear families, and the Bears were founded by a team of truly passionate artists and marketers who see Baller Bears potential as one of the prevalent NFTs of our whole generation. That's big. And so let us join together and make Bears great again. All right, so this one stands out to me, and I wanted to revisit this one because we're talking about play to earn here, right? We're talking about earning honey, earning money. And so that's what I want to focus on today is honey. Honey, stake your Baller Bears to start earning honey, swap your honey for Ethereum, use extra honey to mint future bears. The more bears, the merrier, all right? Let's look at their page really quick, all right? So first, I want you to understand that this project, number one, this project has a lot of hype, all right? Look at this engagement. This is 40 minutes ago. Look at these real accounts. Look at all these accounts that are sort of checking it out. This is definitely a lot of hype, bro. There's a lot of hype around this project. Let's take a look at their Discord first. And so to get into Baller Bears, you must verify. Am I a new bear? So let's just take a look in the Discord, right? This is pretty dope. Like, this is a lot of people. Like, you see just about every minute on the minute, there's a message. Like, that's pretty real, right? So, all right, let's take a look at their Twitter. All right, so boom, their Twitter. Also, a bunch of real engagement on their tweets, right? Of course, Instagram is more popping than Twitter right now, period, as a platform. So you're gonna see more over there. But basically, bro, my overall outlook on this, I think that they're not kidding when they say this is probably gonna be one of the bigger, better NFTs as far as the utility. But we wanna know how much it's gonna be. So here's some important stuff you need to know. Pre-sale will be 0.8 Ethereum plus gas. Normal pre-sale will be 0.9 Ethereum plus gas fees, and then the public sale will be 0.1 Ethereum and gas fees, right? So 0.1 Ethereum to US dollars is 385, but I believe that it's 100% worth it, okay? Here's the biggest question right here that I think we all need to ask ourselves, and here's the answer. Why buy a Baller Bear NFT? The Baller Bears are an incredible NFT collection that not only provides their holder with insane utility, but also provides access to an amazing community full of like-minded individuals. Okay, how much honey will they yield? For each Baller Bear staked, you will earn 10 honey tokens per day. Now let's talk hypothetical. What if 10 honey tokens is $150 Ethereum per day, or whatever the case may be? You know what I mean? Where will honey get its value? Not only do you have the option to swap honey for Ethereum in a liquidity pool, but you'll also be able to spend honey to mint for future bear collections. All right, so that alone lets me know that they basically taking the money to fund this. And whenever you have a utility like that, and whenever I can earn some money, then I'm all in. But let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Love y'all. Let's get it.